Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Ngiyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat. Tanya, I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Ngiyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo. Ma, best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sima uzoshutha akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami. No, manje nobala. So yini yakho wani? Manje private life yami ibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi le mfiki?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Joms? Oh, my mic. Hi guys. Hey. How are you? I'm good. I'm sorry to ambush you guys. I go around asking couples questions. Would you mind?
Yes, you mind.
Yeah, mind. Why? I'm literally just gonna take 5 minutes.
Siyazihambela ngempela maye angazi ukuthi sesiyaphazamiseka or kanjani.
What about 3 minutes?
No,
2 minutes?
it's right. This is somewhere else.
Please, girl, it's my birthday. I know I'm a stranger, but hey, do something cute for a stranger.
But uvele waqhamuka manje asazi noma kanjani imbuzo nje.
And you already taking pictures, Musnama video.
I'm not, it's not a picture.
Whatever that you're doing,
You're taking a video. It's for YouTube though, it's not TV.
It's for YouTube.
Yeah.
Mara still is one of our dungeons.
Let's play first, and then you'll tell me if we can post it or not.
Maye why
Already we are shooting.
But we'll cancel it. Angethi, there's the Popeye act. Now, can I be I was gonna say inside you, in the middle, in between?
Ngathi siyahlukaniswa ke impela.
Ow! That's a big word.
No,
Nahlukaniswa.
Siyahlukaniswa.
That's a big word.
No, siyathandana phela maye ma ukuthi uzofika nje.
That's why I want to ask you
usibuze.
questions about ukuthandana kwenu.
Hayi mina ngazi ngempela.
Bengi mhlawumbe ubuza abanye abantu.
Guys, you're the only couple I've seen, please.
Basazoqhamuka abanye akusithina kuphela. There's still
It
more.
usually takes hours.
Asimuzwe lo muntu ukuthi uthini sizokwazi ukuthi sihambe siye la siya khona.
Because ndiyanidika. You know, name
Kodwa ke
set.
nawe sisi ngimxolisa igama.
Well, please move right. Move to the right. Move to the right. The right.
Okay.
Thank you. Come closer, I love you. Oh,
Yebo.
how long have you been with her? Your girl.
Sinonyaka sithandana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, name?
Lisa.
Lisa. Ah! I'm Lisa! I'm the only Lisa in Johannesburg. You can't be Lisa. You cannot be Lisa. Just Lisa, or is it? You shortened it.
No, it's just Lisa.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
I won't say the same.
Of course.
Yeah, I feel embarrassed, so I won't say the same. Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
But Lisa, how long have you been with your man? Okay, he said 1 year. Sorry. Where did you guys meet?
Yeah, we meet around here.
Around here.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
What did he say? He sees you for the first time and then says what? What was the pickup line? The cheesy pickup line he said?
Yeah,
to you?
was Zulu, okay.
Oh, Mama, what did he say? Oh.
Yeah, actually, wangilandela shem. Wangilandela until.
Ne? And then you eventually gave in.
Yeah, obviously, you know I'm a Zulu.
I do.
They've got that charm, so there's no way.
Of course.
Mbona bashela.
Okay. And what is it that you like about her?
Njengoba ubona nje unemfudumalo isitufuza impela so
And it's winter now.
It's winter but ke nangale nje kwe winter mina ngamthola kwakusesama masihlangana so but kwakukhona vele ucabangela ukuthi ngiya investor
Yabona so
Yeah, invest.
yeah.
For winter.
For all seasons.
Okay.
Yeah, she's seasonal yabo so ngathi mangimbuka ngabo kwemfudumalo nokwakheka kwekhaya ke ngabo ngathi hayi shuthi ke angimane ngimxoxise sibone ukuthi sibekanaphi kwa ukuthi ke uyayizwa inkulumo yomlisa naye
Submissive and stuff.
yeah kwa ukuthi uyayizwa inkulumo yomlisa sase sithatha lapho ke indaba yethu ngoba silana njengamanje.
Oh, guys, what a beautiful love story. Okay, I want to get to the point now.
Yeah.
On this show, what we do is we do a loyalty test, right?
Kuyini lo loyalty test?
A loyalty test, we test your loyalty. Are you or are you not cheating on your partner?
Oh.
Or do you have an issue with it?
Hayi inkinga ayikho.
We don't have an issue with that. You're not
Hayi,
cheating, are you?
Hayi cha. Akukho kwenziwayo.
Okay. Lisa?
No, ngiso mina shemu yangazi kwa yena.
And you don't have an issue?
No, I don't.
Okay. Okay, well, let's do it, guys.
Usho ukuthi lento ufuna yenzeke ngaphi la semgaqweni la siyahambela.
Khona ufuna ukufihla yini kanti?
Cha hayi angisho lutho
So kuthiwa ngithi asicheat.
Yeah.
And we made the pact ukuthi ngesize sijolelane. So
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, guys, we do it by switching cell phones.
Awu.
How did you think I was going to do the loyalty test?
Maybe uzobuza imbuzo njengoba bosibuza nje na.
No.
I-private phone yami mase ngivele ngiyikhipha nje
I
isidlangalaleni.
understand.
Hayi.
I understand, but why not? You've never done it, right? You'll do it this one time and then you'll never do it again. Don't you want to check just to see? What if he's doing something?
Ifoni yami
right.
nje manje iphelelwe i-battery.
Yeah, I can see that smirk. He's lying, Lisa. He's lying.
Even though I too uqamba but still ishindaba ama phone guys.
So you don't want to? At all?
There's nothing to hide.
Aren't you curious? You don't know that?
Police.
Yeah, mom.
Because I have nothing to hide. And now
Oh,
guys, you also have my password. So
Nayo vele password yakho kodwa ke phela ke. Hayi singacheck yakho ke si-check yakho. Eyami i-battery ayinalo.
Let's see.
awuselipheleni nini manje? No, uyabona ngicela siyibheke. Can I have your phone?
No.
We pay.
Can we please see your phone? Is it off? Okay, show us if it's off.
Or ufuna ngiqale ngiyami? I don't mind.
We'll start with yours.
Asiqale ngiyakho situfuza mama
Mina
sibone.
ngimind.
But khupha phone ngalokho. At
Now
least
bese
take it off.
uyayikhipha ke yakho.
At least.
Iku 3% ingakho ngithi battery seliyaphela phela. Yayibona nawe ku 3% uzothi uyayipressa.
62%.
Police.
MXO.
Already uyabona.
No cha mama bengenzela ukuthi angasiphazamisi uyazi nawe sakude ngithethu nje manje.
Mara still why uthi phone ibhetri.
Love you WhatsApp ne?
Cha mina bengenzela ukuthi
Yes,
phela singahlukumezeki. Mina ngithi ngiprotector wena mama.
Oh really?
From what?
From asibazi nje labantu.
Yeah, asibazi.
Do I look like I'm gonna rob you, Mxo?
No awubukeki kanjalo mama.
So, protect her from what? Search, ne? Here at the top. So, type love you.
Okay. I love you. Okay.
That's
Ubukeka kumndeni lona no
and then you as well.
nami ngikhona.
Okay.
Yeah, I love you. Akukho kusolisayo ngibonayo.
Okay, delete.
Okay, delete.
Type miss you.
Miss you. Okay.
Yeah.
Kuvela mina. Uma wakho nje lo ya.
Okay, okay.
I think usisi wakhe lona. Yeah, I think nalabo sisi abangani bakhe lo I think umfowabo lo yeah.
Okay. Delete.
Okay.
Type outside.
Outside. Outside. Mina.
It's you, yeah.
Ya la kuvela mina ngedwa la.
Okay. Delete.
Usazana.
Type babe.
Baby. Babe. Kuvela usisi wakhe nami.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, delete.
Kusolisi.
Type pregnant.
Pregnant. Okay, pregnant. Nah,
No, there's nothing.
akukho
You've
kunjalo.
never had a pregnancy scare, girl. Okay.
Yeah, ne?
Delete.
Okay.
Delete some.
Ngidilithile mama.
Okay. Type. Thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you.
That's you, Musne, and mom.
Yeah. I think umndeni lona engibonayo. Ayichayi.
Yeah, I said.
Ihlanzekile ifoni yakho mama.
One more. Morning after pill.
Morning after pill. Hayibo. Morning after pill. Ubani isikhathi vele? Okay.
Okay, there's nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, girl. Vele Lisa's don't cheat. Yeah. So I'm not shocked. Not shook.
Hey, amadoda ke kodwa hayi mama.
No, ngiyayaza ngithi uphethile.
Oh.
Yeah.
If you know his pattern, why have you never checked his phone?
Cause angithi siyathembana so
Okay.
yeah, cause
Okay.
une password yami ngazi uphethini yakhe. Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay. Well, can we have space, please?
yeah, nami
Thank you.
ngikunikile space.
Thank you.
Mxo,
Isikhala sakho mama inkinga ayikho.
mxo washintsha uphethini.
Awu. Ishintshile.
Ubuza mina mase uyabona ukuthi
Why
ayingeni.
did you change the pattern?
Hayi isuke ngayikhohlwa leya kwase kuvela indaba zo forgot pattern kwase kumele ngireset yabona. Yeah ngisho sokuthi bengikhohliwe kwamina. I-reset
You
iwe le
changed it
phone.
because she knows the pattern.
No,
And then
ifone.
uyashintsha mina mase ushintsha
Cha.
ungitsheli.
Hawu mama into yayizolo ngishintsha izolo.
Yeah, mara silaso uyithiwa ungitsheli.
No.
So now must find out kuphambi kwabantu abangaka.
Hawu bengisazosho stifuthi.
Ubuzosho ini?
Ukuthi ishintshile.
Vula ke, vula it's fine. Na, vula.
Madoda.
Yo.
Mina into engibabazayo ukuthi sivinjwe emgaqweni hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe okunye.
You're hiding anything.
Cha.
Okay.
Sizobona yena.
Okay.
Ayikho
Type
impela.
love you. Okay. But Lisa, wait, that's you, right? And then?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay.
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 The other one.
Why are you laughing? Miss you.
Cha kodwa yabona
No, musuchaza. Asikasho lutho, angithi I didn't say anything.
No, angibhilimi.
Why about defensive?
sengisho ukuthi kungabhidliki eminye imizi yabantu hayi mina.
Izobhidlizwa yini if there's nothing here?
Sengisho ukuthi mabengahlangana nomunye umuntu bese mhlawumbe vele ezinye izinto bekungamele ivele.
Okay, I miss your smile.
Who's that?
Uba usithandile?
Awu.
Usithandile.
Muphi yena?
What do you mean? On your
Kanti
phone?
bayingaki? Muthi muphi yena?
Usithandile muphi angazi.
Efonini yakho, ubuza mina efonini yakho. Bayingaki?
Cha umuntu wakudala mhlawumbe lo ngakhohlwa
Go into the chat. Lies. Yeah, you Rosawen.
Yazini.
This is recent, Musa.
And into into yakudala. So yimuslim.
asambe manje.
Nesiyaphi yimuslim.
Cha ngisho ukuthi usilima mama.
So then? Yeah, you
Into yakudala ubani awumazi. Isiphi isitori sakho kanti actually? Ithi
Lento lena mama singayikhuluma sisobabili ayidingi
Sikhuluma sila manje ngithi.
phambi kwamakamera.
Mara sila, angithi sila.
Yo ma.
Uthini into yakho? Are you
Into yami-
cheating? Yeah, you Rosa.
No, cha angiyuluzi. Hawu angiyuluzi yini kona lokho angiyuluzi. Angiyaluzi.
If you were to call Usithandile, she's gonna say the same thing.
Simfonelelani ke manje umuntu.
Because you're not speaking.
Cha,
Because you're not answering our questions.
sila sobabili asingafonela umuntu ongekho la. Ngoba kukhona thina la.
Go into the pictures, go into media.
Sacela ukuthi sivele sami.
Cela ungeke. Cela ungeke. Cela ungeke.
Can you go into the pictures, media? So what they sending each other?
Vula la, vula.
Senvinjwa abantu iyona into efunala le ukuthi
Vula ifom. Cause Muslim for the whole year,
Literally.
for the whole year.
Thank you. Go into media.
ku right ukuthi sivinjwa abantu kanjena
Yeah, good right. Ufuna senze njani
All
wena?
right, we're not cheating.
cha angichithi
Usithandile. That you
umuntu
miss.
awu angishongo njalo
Yeah.
ubhalwe njalo
Oh.
So kumnandi ngidlala ama-love-davi ne. Ngidlala ama-love-davi, it's nice. But ngicela usuke.
It's nice.
Ngicela usuke. Angithi bongeke usuke. But ngicela usuke. Ngidlala ama-love-davi kumnandi Ngixolisa kumnandi yimuslima for the whole year. Yimuslima.
ngiyayibona ukuthi into eniyenzayo ke
No.
manje
You're
awu
not gonna do that.
wabhidlika umzi wami awu
Yo, now uyangicika.
kahle mama hawu
Lisa, calm down, Lovey. Calm down.
Ngicela usuke futhi usuke.
What's happening between you and Usithandile? And how long have you been with him?
cha into nje isikhashana
Into yesikhashana.
Bewukuphambuka.
Amazi. Yeah, into yakudala. Which?
Cha.
Ithini into yakho?
bewukuphambuka
Uphambuka ini? Angithi utho right wena we can settle down. Siyacommita ukuthi we're not gonna cheat. Wenzani manje?
ukuhlambulula ku
Uhlambulule ini?
Usithandila into yakhe ayithi shu
Ushuthi
Mina-
leyama yithi shuma unayi.
ngihamba
Cause
nawe
lela ama-love-davi la kumnandi kuyanqobuzana yeyi picnic vibes in
zisa ngayo
Why?
and then bese ngiya-understanda still
cha angithi
sathi no cheating.
yayibona ukuthi into
Imasiza mazisa for Ntoni because are you a polygamist? She was gonna know and then what?
Cheating kanti kwena
What do you
uthini?
mean?
Uthi two partners or more.
senizongiqhatha nomama wale
Do you know
ngane
ukuthi nami
Oh, wow.
it's just one phone call. One phone call. Hayi. Lokho kwenza nami ngizokwenza.
Exactly.
Do you know that?
Exactly. Do you want us to call Usithandile?
Please.
So,
Phone.
also things. You're not giving us the answers that we need, and it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to call her.
mana
Cela simfonele.
mana kancane futhi
And you're not gonna do anything, chef. So look at you.
Ooh, Lisa, relax.
unolaka lo muntu nimsukele sihambela manje sekuzomela
Uchithelani?
Uchithela Ntoni?
Usukelelani ulaka lami?
icishe wamlila elizweni nake yazi nomuntu unolaka kanjani
Hi, am I speaking to Usithandile?
sangena amanzi endlini madoda
Hello, am I speaking to Usithandile?
Hello,
Hi, Usithandile, how are you?
I'm good. Ngiyaphila wena?
I'm good. You're speaking to Lisa from CMTV. Do you know Mxo?
Yeah, ngiyamazi umuntu
ngazwela
wami.
manje qamba manje
What is Mxo to you?
Ungumuntu wami umqondo siyathandana.
mana
Mxo, how long have you been together?
2 years manje sinaye.
I'm with his girlfriend of 1 year here.
Hayi angimazi ke ngoba mina ngazi ngiyi-1. Angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngamuphi manje.
qambelana manga nawe manje lapho yini ukhokhela wena uthi qamba manga
Thando sami soyangiphika.
atha nabantu ke manje
Usuyangiphika thando sami.
ngiphika ukuthi kubanjani ngoba phela nanginolisa mina awumazi ulisa wena intombi yami
Nawe.
ngizama ukwakha umuzi ngizama ukwakha
Sonke izolo namhlanje usuyangiphika.
ngizama ukwakha umuzi
We were
nolisa
together yesterday.
Yeah, izolo benginayo lo muntu lo ungithembisa izulu nomhlaba namhlanje useyangiphika.
That's why. That now it makes sense.
bengikhohliwe
Yes. Thank you, staff. Thank you.
Yimuslim ne?
eish cha into yami ayisho lutho nizwile nani umuntu angavuma nje efuna ukukhatha abantu
with you for 2 years and you were with her yesterday.
mawukuthi uyasikhatha
You understand?
nikholwa
2
mawukuthi
full years.
uyasikhatha
Johnny.
mawukuthi uyasikhatha ufuna usihlukanisa
Ay, Lisa, where's this nigga's phone? Give him his phone. Pickle.
Ngirighting yazi
mfowethu hawu sengiyiphiphi
Yeah.
uyilo mos uyilo ngenza isilima
Literally.
ngiyacommita mina ngiba loyal to you for the full year ngihleli nawe mina ngitshela ukuthi yeah we building something
Why
I
are you
don't
wasting her
busy
time?
as if mina ngikwazi ukuba busy
ngicela sixoxe mfowethu
Speak, she's
please
listening.
situfuza mama
shem
Cha, phela-
yabona umuntu kuzenza Bob the Builder bona
wesigola ndini awukahle ungivimba kumuntu wami wemfowethu awume kancane awume
Calm down. Be listening, Ted.
ngithethe ukuthini ngiyakhuluma mina
Okay, khuluma.
ngifuna ukukhuluma nomuntu
She's
wami
here, she can hear you, she's not deaf.
maye wani ngivimba nisithole sihamba kanjani
But she didn't know you were cheating,
Well,
Galoko,
Lisa,
before.
izolo bekumnandi ngithi bekumnandi
Lisa
nihleli
welisa uza la maye usuvumela abantu bengene phakathi kwethu maye
lo
You did
mvumelile
that.
yena
Usitha.
ngimvumele kanjani ngoba
Andile yena.
ubona
lalela
izolo
So,
namhlanje
is Lisa a side chick?
obvious
Because this child has been with you for 2 years.
ulisa umaqondana wami uyena mama ngifuna ukwakha nawe umuzi yezwa
Sithandile yena awakhi noSithandile nenzani
angakhi nosithanda
nenzani noSithandile ndala ublack mampatilo nenzani pho if uzowakha nami yena uzoyenzani naye
buka into eyenzakalayo nje manje sengiyavinjwa manje mina
kungenxa yakho you are the one to be blamed for that
ulo ongcolile ofuna ukungenisa olwandle sengiyavinjwa
But you are. Ungumfundi
What
ongcolileyo.
about that before
Sorry, lovely.
mfowethu akume
Please. Ooh. Oh, please calm down.
cha uyambona khuza
Calm
lesiqubuvani sakho
down. Calm
khuza
down.
isiqubuvani welisa uza lana mfowethu
ayikho into engizoyikhuluma nawe mina
Are you Lisa? Are you gonna stay with this nigga?
definitely
Cheating
not
ass nigga.
soze I've wasted my time for ilutho it's pretty clear ukuthi bekuyilutho lo sengiright ngayi
Okay.
I'm
okay.
fine.
Oh, it's over.
awukahle
Oh, it's over. Do you have your phone? Lisa, do you need transport?
welisa
You're fine.
Lisa
Okay.
awumana phela mfowethu welisa
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Are you quiet? Okay. Thank you. Stay there. Don't speak.
Thank you. All right, CMTV viewers, that is it from me. My name is Lisa Sirame. I've brought you the heat and it's absolutely gone bananas. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _ See you later.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Simfonelo sima. Uzosho ukuthi akwazi.
Hey angihlangene nosimami. No manje
princess.
nobala so yini yakho wani mangithatha i-private life yami uyibeka la why ufuna ngabi le mfihlo
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?